I definitely want to check it out. I do want to go after work today, so that looks fun and exciting. But yeah, let's talk about your weather, guys. We are a week away from Halloween, and we are talking about severe weather for today. We've got those cloudy skies, as you can see. It's barely noon, and look at all that cloud coverage we have. It is a little humid as well, but 80 degrees right now. Winds are calm, but we are going to be feeling the gusts very, very soon. So prepare for the gusts and prepare for the rain. But right now, we're seeing a lot of 80s across the board, even the hill country, you'll notice, but we are expecting a cold front pretty soon. All right, today we are going to stay in those mid 80s, a lot of cloud coverage, and we're talking about severe weather for tonight into tomorrow morning. So strong to severe thunderstorms are possible. 1 to 3 inches of rain are possible, hail and gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Now, the good news is I do expect most of the severe weather to be after midnight, but even from 8 p.m. to midnight, I do expect maybe a drizzle here and there. It's not going to rain on our parade, hopefully, but after midnight, it is going to get pretty severe. So just be aware that tonight into tomorrow, we're expecting lots of heavy rain. So bring the umbrellas, bring the ponchos, and by 8 p.m., you're really going to be feeling those gusts. We're tracking 25-mile-per-hour gusts by 8 p.m. here in San Antonio, 30 in Pleasanton. All right, let's take a look at your future rainfall model. So this particular model is picking up about 1.5 inches of rain in San Antonio by 4 a.m., 2 inches in Boerne, close to 3 in Hondo. So I do think this is overestimating a little bit, but we are going to be seeing a lot of heavy rainfall. Most of it, though, in Houston, East Texas, Dallas, as you can see, between Austin and San Antonio, we're going to be seeing around 1 to 2 inches of rain. So a more closer look into the model. So by 11 p.m., you can see the line of storms moving through Fredericksburg, Kerrville, Rock Springs, and then starts to move into San Antonio around 1 a.m. San Marcos, Hondo. By 6 a.m., we're still tracking some activity in Seguin, Gonzales, and then by 10 a.m., we should be in the clear. But tomorrow night, we also have a small round of storms around your 7 o'clock hour. So nonetheless, lots of rain tonight into tomorrow morning, but it's not going to rain on our Dia de los Muertos parade, right? Temperatures are going to be very comfortable in the 80s, maybe a little humid, but just bring the umbrella just in case. All right, so we are going to be seeing very humid and muddy weather tomorrow for your Saturday. So high of 84 degrees on Saturday. If you want to go to the pumpkin patch, just know it's going to be a muddy one. So I wouldn't recommend going tomorrow because there's going to be possibly some localized flooding in some areas. So I would skip the pumpkin patch for tomorrow, maybe leave it for Sunday. Another fun fact I wanted to talk about is that we haven't hit a morning low below 62 degrees since October 22nd. It's already October 24th and we haven't been below 62 degrees. So we actually beat that record. The average is usually in September 26th. So we unfortunately it really hasn't cooled down this year. All right, taking a look at our radar, you can see all the areas in green that are expected to see most of that rain tonight into tomorrow. And we are 7 days away from Halloween. So let's go ahead and look at your 14-day forecast. All right, so cooler temperatures for Saturday, 84 degrees, 87 on Sunday, 88 on Monday, and then we'll get another cold front Tuesday night into Wednesday. It'll drop us down to 78 degrees, at least for one day. So we'll see a 70s at least one day this month, and then back to 80s on Thursday. But as of right now, Halloween looks like 83 degrees, and then remember, the day after Halloween, we're going to lose an hour of sleep, but gain an hour of sunshine. All right, let's take a